If your HP DeskJet 2600 series printer stops feeding pages while printing and the printer control panel displays an E4 with the resume light blinking, paper is jammed. Remove any jams and clear the error to resume printing. Check the input tray, output tray, ink cartridge access area, and bottom of the printer, and remove any jammed paper. Use a flashlight to assist you for this step. Remove all paper from the input tray. Lift the input tray shield and shine a flashlight inside the input tray area, removing any paper or other obstructions found. Shine the flashlight inside the output tray area and remove any jammed paper found. With the printer still on, go to the rear and disconnect all cables, then unplug the power cord from its power source. You must disconnect the printer power cord from its power source to avoid injury or damaging the printer. From the front of the printer, open the ink cartridge access door. If possible and without forcing it, slide the carriage all the way to the right, then all the way to the left, removing any obstructions. Close the ink cartridge access door. Lower the input tray. Close the output tray extender, then the output tray. With one hand holding the scanner lid, rotate the printer to the back so you can access the bottom. Still holding the scanner lid, push down the two tabs on the clean out door to open it. Remove any jammed paper found. Push the clean out door forward until the tabs snap into place. Lift and rotate the printer to its normal upright position. Plug the power cord directly into a wall outlet and then reconnect the other end to the printer. The printer turns on automatically. Raise the input tray. Load paper into the input tray and adjust the guide. Open the output tray and the output tray extender. Try to print the document. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Use the automated tool to clean the paper feed rollers inside the printer. Remove paper from the input tray and then lower the tray. Press and hold the power button. While holding the power button, press the cancel button 3 times. Press the Start Copy Color button 7 times, and then release the power button. The printer makes noise while cleaning the rollers. With the printer silent, raise the input tray. Load paper into the input tray and adjust the guide. Try to print a document again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Cleaning ink smears can help clear paper jams and optimize print quality. Press and hold the power button. While holding the power button, press the cancel button 3 times. Press the Start Copy Color button 8 times, and then release the power button. The printer feeds one page, then makes noises. Wait until the printer is idle and silent before you continue. Try to print a document again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Manually clean the paper pick rollers to remove any dust and debris that might cause paper jams and feed issues. Before you begin, gather the following cleaning materials: a lint-free cloth, cotton swabs, and bottled or filtered water. Turn off the printer and remove all paper from the input tray. Go to the rear and disconnect any cables. Lift and hold the input tray shield. Use a flashlight to locate the gray paper pick rollers inside the input tray. Dampen a cotton swab with water, and then remove any excess with a lint-free cloth. Clean both rollers with the swab to remove any buildup or debris. Rotate each roller as you finish cleaning a section to clean the entire roller. Lower the input tray shield and let the rollers dry for 10 minutes. Reconnect the power cord and any other cables to the printer. Turn on the printer. Load paper into the input tray and adjust the guide. Try to print a document again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.